How to enable mouse click sound in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable mouse click sound in Windows 11. Enabling mouse click sound in Windows 11 adds a satisfied feedback element, improving the user experience, making navigation more user-friendly. So let's start the video. On your Windows search box, type Control Panel, and then click on it. Now, in Control Panel click on Sound. A sound pop-up will appear. Click on Sounds tab in Sound Scheme. Make sure Windows Default is selected. In Program Events scroll down and click on Select. Click on drop-down menu under Sounds to select the sound you want to set as mouse click. We are going to select Windows Navigation Start. You can test the sound by clicking on Test button. Now click on Apply button and click OK. This is how you can simply enable mouse click sound in Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.